Hello student, this video is for the discussion for sample paper of term 1 for SS for class 7. So here we will discuss about the paper format and how you should attempt the answer that we are going to discuss. And your syllabus for term 1 is 1 to 5 in history, 1 to 5 again in geography, and 1 to 4 in civics. Fifth chapter that is given in your syllabus for civics in term 1, but that we are going to include in PA2 syllabus, so you don't have to refer the fifth chapter from civics. So overall again I am repeating, that is history 1 to 5, geography 1 to 5, and civics 1 to 4. We can see the first question is very short answer question. Each question carries 1 mark and 7 questions would be asked. So out of 9 there is option also. Out of 9 you have to attempt any 7. This is one sentence answer or one word answer. As you can see, what is the meaning of Hiranyagarbha literally? So here you have to write down what does that word mean. So in short also, like the golden worm, that could also be an answer. You can write down that. Or one sentence like it is a process by which one can become an Kshatriya. So this was being done by one of the ruler and helped out by the Brahman. So instead of that you can write down either that answer or only the golden worm. So because the Hiranyagarbha was asked, garrison town, again one sentence answer. The Tamarite customs of copper inheritance. What is copper seigneury? It means the property is divided or the kingdom is divided amongst all the sons. The definition of environment you have to write down over here. Main mineral of continental mass. So this is the 2-word answer, that is sial, silica and aluminium. That only that you have to write down. Meaning again, what do you mean by terrarium? Then the key feature of democracy. So here you are having 1-word answer, equality. So whenever you are attempting the first question, write down the heading, very short answer question, and attempt the answers. Supposingly if you are writing down the first answer, you know that answer. Second answer you are writing down. Third, if you are not knowing, then you can directly attempt the fourth, but don't change the series. As you are writing first and second, because you don't know the third, then don't write down the next answer as the third one. What you have to number it, the 4 only, answer 4. Just omit the third one. So in this way you have to write down. First you have to write down the heading, then 1, 2. If you don't know the answer third, then directly write down answer 4. If you don't know the answer number 5, then after 4 you can write down answer 6. Don't change the series. In that same format, same series, you have to write down the answer. 8th question you can see over here. OPD, the full form you have to write down about of OPD. Next is again the definition. What do you mean by the constituencies? Now next we are having short question answers. Out of 13 you have to write down 11. You have to attempt 11, and each question carries 3 marks. So at least 3 points you have to write down these answers. Now here first question you can see, what does the word Rajput stands for and who were considered as Rajput. So there are 2 questions. So how I am going to divide the 3 marks is, like, what does the word Rajput stands for, the meaning. For that meaning I will give away 1 marks, and who were considered as Rajput, for that you have to write down 2 points at least. So 2 marks for that. So overall you get the 3 marks. Second, what were the prashastis, like defining the prashasti, by whom it is being composed, or who is asking him to compose, and what is being written. So this can be included in this answer. Account of Razia, like whose daughter she was, when she was appointed as ruler, for how many period of time, why she was rejected, why she was not accepted by brothers and nobles. That thing you can include over here. So overall 3 points I need. I have given many points. Now next question, that is fourth. Throw light on how construction of Rajarajeshwara temple was very difficult task. Like because Rajeshwara temple's shikhar stone was about 90 tons. In past there were not cranes and technology to put on that shikhara, so it was manually put. How they have placed that stone on the top of the temple, that procedure you have to write down. Everything you should write down over here. So in 5 points you can write in your own words. One more thing I would like to inform you, that you can attempt each and every answer in your own words. There is no need to write down the technical language in the textbook what it is given, but NCERT textbook, that is simplest language used in the book. A few words are complicated or very hard. Instead of the difficult and technical word, you can use the simplest word, but you should not change the word meaning, and whatever the question is being asked, the answer should be related to that. If you are writing in your own words, it doesn't mean whatever you feel like that you cannot attempt the answer like that. The answer should be related to the questions. So I don't need the same answer what is being written in the textbook. You can write in your own words. Now differentiate between how you are going to write down this. Like in this type of questions, you are having you have to write down the two definitions for two words like biotic and abiotic. So 1 marks for each, and you have to set example for both. That would be 0.5, 0.5. So 3 marks would be distributed like this, or divided by like this. Now 6th question, what are minerals? That would be 1 mark answer, and how minerals are important to us, that would be 2 marks. What are endogenic forces? That definition you have to write down, and its types you can include to the 2 types. So it would be 3 marks again. How does nature balance our life? 1 mark. Then it would be divided into 1.5, 1.5. So according to the question I will give away the marks. It is not like the in same way the mark would be divided. So here how does the nature balance our life? For that I would give away 5.5, and for the other half I will give away 1.5. So overall 3 points. Now what is tide? Here for the tides definition I am going to give 1 mark. Explain its type. The 2 type you have to mention, low tide and high tide. So for that 2 types I will give away the 2 marks. So overall 3 marks over here. Mention 2 different types of inequality that exist in our country. So 2 words, 2 kinds of inequality, caste basis and religious base. That is the answer. So 1 mark for that. And example, you have to set up an example. So for 2 example I will give away 2 marks. Mention the 3 steps which can be taken to improve healthcare service in India. So overall you have to write down directly 3 points. What are the responsibility of ruling party? 3 points again. If you know the answer more than that, then you can include it. What does our constitution tell about the gender discrimination? So that also you have to write down in 3 points. Long answer question, out of 9 you have to attempt 7, and each carries 5 marks. So at least 5 points that is needed. Explain the tripartite struggle, who were involved, for what reasons they were having conflict, why they came to be known as the tripartite struggle, for which region they were having conflict. So everything you can write down over here, and the rulers were from which kingdom they belongs to, or which region they belongs to, that also could be included in this. Next, why was Muhammad bin Tughlaq known as man of ideas but failure as an administrator? So 5 points. Already you are having table in your textbook about Alauddin Khalji compared to the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So from there itself you can write down the 5 points why he is known as man of ideas but a failure as an administrator. Next question you are having, how did Aurangzeb expand his empire? So expansion, this is a long question, so any 5 expansion, what were the ways he has by which he has conquered the region in external and internal expedition could include over here. With you can set up an example like which region he has conquered. Explain the rock cycle with the help of the diagram. So here 2 marks for the diagram of rock cycle and 3 marks for the definitions like metamorphic, sedimentary and igneous rock. So there are 3, so you can define it all 3, and 2 marks for the diagram. The diagram should be labeled and well drawn. Next, give an account of different layers of the atmosphere. So already there are 5 layers. You have to write down the detail like it extends up to how much kilometer, what are the features of the that particular layer that could be mentioned. Then 6th point, again the water cycle. The diagram would be of 2 marks, and the other 3 definition like evaporation, precipitation and the condensation. In paragraph also you can write down, that is not compulsory like in 5 points only I need answer. 3 definition also you can write down, or in paragraph overall the water cycle could be written. Who was Rosa Parks? That is the 1 mark question, and the incident related to her that you have to write down as in 4 point, like she refuses to give away her seat to white man. What was the result? Which law came up, and it benefited to whom? That you have to write down in this. Compare public healthcare with those private healthcare services. This is the easiest one in the question paper. So there are many comparison. The public is run by government and private is run by individual or the company. Then the facility provided in both are completely different. One is cheapest, one is costlier. So there is n number of points in this. Then the last question, how is ruling and opposition party formed? Representative elected by people, then they become MLAs. From MLAs, the majority, the more than half seat won by the majority party considered as ruling, and the other party is known as the opposition party. So in this way they form. So the whole procedure you have to write down. Next we are having map work, so you have to do it in map. Reference box is compulsory, like you have to make the reference box in the right hand side of the map. First question, military campaigns of Akbar and Aurangzeb. So for Akbar, if you are marking 3, then you have to write down mark as star and Akbar. So the star mark which you have drawn in the map, I can understand that this is for the Akbar's region, and circle you can mark for the Aurangzeb. So I can understand the circle symbol is given for the Aurangzeb's regions. So 3 for Akbar and 2 for Aurangzeb, or that is your wish, 3 for Aurangzeb and 2 for Akbar. So any of the 5 region you have to mark, because this is the 5 mark question. Next question, already you are having the 5 options. So 5 words you have to mark on the world map, and already the number is given 1 2 3 4 5. So wherever you are marking, just give away the series number what I have given. So this is it, and the paper should be neat and clean while you are writing. If there is any kind of mistake, that only strike once. Each and every new question should be started from the new page. Don't continue after the question 1, the question 2. If you are starting the question 2, then start with a new page. So hope you have understood. If you are having any query related to the sample paper, then please message me. Thank you.